Hey guys, in this video I will be showing you how to factory reset your Google Chromecast. You may want to factory reset the Google Chromecast if you're having issues with it, or you're unable to set it up, or if you're selling it. Whatever the reason may be, factory resetting the Chromecast is very easy and can be done from the device itself, and there is no need to use the Google Home app. Let's get started with the procedure. What I like to do first is unplug the Chromecast from the HDMI port so I can get easy access to the reset button, but this step is not necessary. If you are unplugging it from the HDMI port, make sure you keep the USB cable plugged in so the Chromecast still has power. You cannot reset the Chromecast if it does not have power. Now on the side edge of the Chromecast you will notice a button. To factory reset the Chromecast, hold the button for 10 seconds or until the light stops blinking and goes from orange to white. I will show you what this looks like. So I am pressing the button down, and as you can see the light indicator turns orange and starts blinking. Keep pressing down the button until the indicator stops blinking and turns back to white, which will be about 10 seconds. Now the Chromecast will go through the factory reset process, which will take around 1 minute. And once it completes the factory reset process, it will show the setup screen that it showed when you first took it out of the box. And that's it for this video. If this video helped you out, hit the subscribe button to stay tuned for more videos like this. Also like and share this video.